What happens to your body when you start eating honey? Honey is a popular and widely used sweetener that provides numerous health benefits. It serves as a basis for many traditional treatments, particularly in Ayurveda, and is used by many people throughout the world. Honey has long been valued for its advantages and health benefits. Keep watching to find out what happens to your body when you start eating honey. 1. Prevents cough and sore throat. Many people are experiencing sore throats and coughs as a result of several viral illnesses, including COVID-19 sickness. Honey might help you get over a cough or sore throat every day. Honey is used as a common over-the-counter treatment for cough and sore throat all throughout the world. 2. Soothes anxiety and improves sleep. Consuming honey can help you feel less stressed, less anxious, and less worn out. The quick blood absorption of honey's glucose characteristic helps your brain's neurons function and lessens mental illnesses. The natural sugar in honey can raise your blood insulin levels, which releases serotonin, which is then converted into the hormone melatonin, which promotes restful sleep. Honey can potentially lower your levels of mental tension and enhance the quality of your sleep if you consume it daily. 3. Healthy stomach. Honey's antibacterial properties can aid with bloating and indigestion. It can neutralize gas and relieve indigestion. Because it helps your digestive system, honey is a fantastic nutritious meal to consume. 4. Eases sinus issues. Nowadays, many people experience sinus-related problems as a result of rising pollution and dust levels. Small cavities in the skull called sinuses secrete mucus to protect the respiratory system from infections and allergies. When we have an infection, the viruses obstruct our sinuses, trapping air and mucus and making us feel uncomfortable. On the other hand, honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that aid to clear infections and lessen inflammation. Additionally, honey calms the throat, lessens coughs, and boosts the immune system, preventing sinus problems. 5. Natural energy booster. Have you ever noticed how a sugar high frequently results in a swift energy collapse and burn? It's time to stop drinking energy drinks and give up your daily coffee fix. In your tea, baked goods, and on toast, use honey instead of sugar and other sweeteners. It is also beneficial for enhancing athletic performance because its natural sugars even help you stay awake throughout physical activity. The glucose in honey is quickly absorbed by the body, providing an immediate energy boost, whilst the fructose gives sustained energy due to its slower absorption. In comparison to other forms of sugar, honey has also been shown to keep blood sugar levels relatively stable. 6. Treats wounds and burns. Honey is mostly composed of glucose and fructose, both of which absorb water when applied to wounds. It functions as a natural first aid remedy for cuts, burns, and wounds because it promotes healing. The antiseptic qualities of honey prevent the growth of specific germs and aid in preventing infection in open wounds. Due to the fact that it also acts as an anti-inflammatory, it helps to reduce inflammation, pain, and even scarring. According to a 2005 British Journal of Surgery study, the afflicted areas significantly improved after being treated with honey. Honey should only be used in moderation because it still has a lot of calories and sugar. In place of sugar, honey is a delectable and healthier option. You should buy honey from well-known brands because certain honey products can be mixed with syrups, lowering the quality of the honey. Since honey still has a lot of calories and sugar, it should only be consumed in moderation. Its advantages are most noticeable when used to substitute unhealthy sweets. Honey is simply a more nutritious sweetener than high-fructose corn syrup and sugar when consumed at night. Here are some ways to enjoy honey. Honey can be consumed on its own, straight off the spoon, or in a variety of dishes. Try some of the following suggestions to enjoy the delightful treat. Add honey to a smoothie or use it to sweeten tea and coffee. Pour honey over pancakes, fresh fruit, chia seeds, avocado pudding, oatmeal or overnight oats. Add honey into your salad dressing. In a mixing dish, combine olive oil, lemon juice, sesame seeds, and honey. Mix everything together, then pour over your salad bowl. Follow these steps and make honey a part of your daily diet. But always remember, moderation is the key, and do not forget to consult an expert before adapting to any lifestyle change. Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy stuff. Take care and see you in the next video.